Want to turn those essential oils that have been just sitting on your shelf into an everyday essential? Let's make this Lumberjack body wash so that you can enjoy the great outdoors in your shower every day. Let's make it together. Hi, I'm Shyla. I'm a certified aromatherapist and I love teaching people how to use essential oils in their everyday lives. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. So let's get started with this month's recipe. Before I tell you what you need, we at Simply Earth are obsessed with teaching you how to use your essential oils. And that is why if you get our everyday essential oil themed recipe box, all the ingredients will be in the box so that you can make all of those recipes. Or you can search for each individual ingredient on our website. So let's get started making these recipes. Grab your recipe box and your big bonus box. All right, you're gonna go through your recipe cards and find the recipe that you're gonna wanna create. You're also gonna grab your sticker sheet. You're gonna grab your body wash powder base, pine essential oil, whole wood essential oil, and your bergamot essential oil. From your big bonus box, you're gonna grab your almond oil. From your home, you're gonna grab a 4-ounce bottle, 4 ounces of distilled water, and then a funnel so that you can get all of the ingredients into your bottle. If you don't have a funnel, no worries, you can try getting it into the bottle without the funnel. Let's get started. All right, the first step to this recipe is you are gonna grab your 4-ounce bottle and add your 4 ounces of water. Now that we have the 4 ounces of water, I'm gonna put my funnel in and add 1/2 tablespoon of body wash powder. The particles in this body wash powder are super fine, so you may wanna wear a mask during this as it could cause you to cough a little bit. All right, now that I have my body wash powder into my water, I'm gonna put my cap on and I'm gonna shake this. Once that you can feel it kind of thickening while you're shaking it, you can set this aside. This will need to sit for about 6 hours. While this is sitting, I'm gonna grab my almond oil and my essential oils, get those stirred together so that they're ready for when this is, add everything together. All right, I'm gonna add my almond oil. It is a 1/2 tablespoon. And we'll add our essential oils. So you're gonna add 8 drops of pine, 7 drops of whole wood, and bergamot. Bergamot is a citrus oil. We're gonna add 5 drops of this and mix with the whole wood and the pine. It's just gonna give it a really great balanced aroma and you're gonna love it. All right, now I'm gonna stir these together, making sure that the almond oil and the essential oils are evenly incorporated. And I'm gonna set this aside and come back in 6 hours when the body wash is ready to have this added to it. Okay, now that it's been 6 hours and the body wash is pretty much done, I'm gonna add the almond oil and the essential oil concoction. All right, now that this is all put together, I'm gonna shake it so that it's all evenly incorporated and it's all set. All right, I'm gonna grab my label and it's all set. You can make this Lumberjack body wash too. I absolutely love the scent of this body wash. It makes me feel like I'm walking through the woods. You love the great outdoors. This is a perfect body wash for you. I absolutely love seeing all of your creations on social media. So take pictures of all the recipes that you made from this month's box, tag From Simply Earth with the hashtag I made this so that I can see all those too. If you want to turn your essential oils into natural products just like this, then you need to get the Simply Earth Essential Oil Recipe Box because it actually teaches you how to unlock the power of all natural ingredients.